Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are starting the series of UTA updates, the latest release of ServiceNow. Yes, there are a number of updates which are very exciting and we want to share it with you. Along with this channel which is in English, we have one more channel which is in Hindi, that is ServiceNow Help Desk Hindi. In this channel, we are providing exclusive content but in Hindi so that the language will not be a barrier in your success. Okay, with that notes, let's start the video. This is my demo instance. This is one of the record producer, and now let me show you the magic. Click on it. Let me select this company, and as soon as I selected the company, you see the company address directly here. So you are thinking that there is a script which is working behind it, but no, this is the UTA updates which is provided by ServiceNow. Let me show you. This is the record producer. You see here we have two variables, and I have opened the company address variable here, and this particular tab, that is Auto-Populate, is something which is very good and very helpful in future, because here they are asking for dependent questions. The dependent questions here is this one, that is company, and then it is asking the dot walking path. It means in the last option it is asking us to set the value, to choose the value which we want to display from the reference of that company table, that is the reference table. So I wanted to display the value of the street, that is some part of the address, so that's what I have selected, street. Okay, so that's what automatically happening here. As soon as I do this, whenever I select a company, the street address will be displayed here. In this way, you can populate any type of reference material from a dependent field directly without creating any kind of script. So this is one of the update, and I will share more such updates with you. Stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.